Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini without touching your phone. First, make sure your device's voice assistant is enabled and set to respond to your voice command. This foundational step is crucial for a truly hands-free experience. You will then be able to activate Gemini by simply speaking to your device, allowing you to access its powerful features while keeping your hands free for other tasks. It's all about convenience and efficiency. To begin, open your phone settings and locate the voice assistant options. You'll typically find this under Apps and Notifications or Google Settings. Once there, enable the Hey Google or Voice Match feature. This allows your device to constantly listen for your activation phrase. Take a few moments to train your voice model. This significantly improves recognition accuracy, ensuring Gemini understands your commands clearly, even in noisy environments. It's a quick setup for long-term convenience. Once activated, simply say Hey Google followed by your command or question. For example, you can say, Hey Google, ask Gemini to set a reminder for tomorrow at 9 a.m. to call Sarah. Gemini can also send messages, play your favorite music, or provide quick answers to your queries. Remember, you can often ask follow-up questions without needing to repeat the activation phrase, making conversations flow naturally. This seamless interaction saves you valuable time and effort. To truly optimize your hands-free experience, dive into Gemini's settings. You can customize preferences for news, weather, and even your preferred music services. Consider connecting your smart home devices. This allows you to control lights, thermostats, and more, all with your voice through Gemini. Furthermore, explore the Routines feature. You can set up a good morning routine, for instance, to turn on lights, play news, and check your calendar with a single voice command. It's about making your life easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.